The equation 5 to the power of 1 minus 9x equals 2 to the power of x. See that the x variables are in the forms of exponents where their bases are not equal to each other, which means that the way we're going to solve this equation is by using logarithms. Now we can either use the natural log or the common log. I'm going to use log to the base e, which is ln. So we're going to take ln of each of these sides. So on the left side we have ln 5 to the 1 minus 9x equals ln 2 to the x. Now we're going to use a law that allows us to move these exponents into the front as factors when we have a log. So we have bracket 1 minus 9x, ln 5 equals, move the x to the front, becomes a factor, x ln 2. Now that we've got this bracket with two terms in it and the ln 5 here, let's go ahead and try to distribute the ln 5 to each of these terms. So we're going to have 1 times ln 5, which is ln 5, minus 9x times ln 5 is minus 9x ln 5, and here we have x ln 2. Now next I want the ln terms with the x in their factors to be on one side so that we can try to factor an x out of each of them later. So therefore I'm going to move the minus 9x ln 5 to the right side. And now we've got ln 5 equals x ln 2 plus 9x ln 5. You might notice that there is an x in front of each of these terms, so we can go ahead and factor an x out. So we'll have ln 5 equals x as a factor, and ln 2 plus 9 ln 5. So here we've almost got x on its own. We just need to get rid of this ln 2 plus 9 ln 5. So to get rid of this from the right side, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by this ln 2 plus 9 ln 5, which means that we'll have ln 5 over the entire thing. 2 plus 9 ln 5 equals x. And to finally answer the question, I'm going to rewrite this equation so that x is on the left side. So we'll have x equals ln 5 over ln 2 plus 9 ln 5. This is going to be our final answer. You found my guidance of today's question useful, and if you have any of your own questions, leave them in the comments and I will get to them. See you next time.